You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. This is generally the name associated with an animal, an insect, a deer tick, pronounced in English generally as Ixodes. Alright, I see some other videos on YouTube say Ixodes with an S sound. I mean, it could sound a little bit like Ixodes, I'll admit, but it's generally a Z sound, a Z sound. Ixodes. Ixodes tick. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Ixodes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.